Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in search engine optimization and in off-page optimization, we'll discuss about blogging. What blogging is all about, why blogging is important, how blogging will help you in search engine rankings, providing high quality content, how we can create a live WordPress blog and write a small article, so on and so forth. Let's get started with it. What is blogging basically? Blog, also called as weblog, is similar to website with valuable informational inspirational content called as blog post. The blog looks similar to the website. It can be also on a domain name of your choice, but blog actually consists of informational, valuable and inspirational content, and that content is called as blog post. And you can create a blog, you can create blog posts. Blog posts basically are the content that is posted on the blog. It can be on various categories. You can write on technology, you can write on SEO, you can write on sports. All the categories are segregated together, and you can write articles which are called as blog posts, and that will be stored in the respective categories for people to view, review and actually take benefit from them. Blog can be created on a domain or an independent platform such as Blogger and WordPress. You can create a blog on your domain name, on your company name or on your personal name. It can be created on a domain, and a domain blog is also called as a blog. Or else if you do not want to create a paid blog, which is basically a domain name wherein you need to take a domain and we need to take a hosting, so on and so forth, you can also create a free blog on independent platforms such as Blogger and WordPress. Blogger and WordPress are very popular. It offers lot of features that helps you in creating a blog within minutes and posting valuable content for free without actually spending a dime on them. They are basically hosted on the particular respective blogging platforms, and they are absolutely free. Creating a blog. You can create a blog on your domain name from blog creating using WordPress or as a platform. Let's start with the WordPress. Free blogs can also be created on Blogger and Tumblr. Besides from WordPress and blogger.com, you can also create a very good high quality blog on a third and independent platform called as Tumblr. Tumblr is very popular, and you can create a blog on Tumblr for free, and it offers a lot of features for you to provide valuable content for your users. Let's start and create a free WordPress blog right now, and I'll show you how you can create a blog on a WordPress and write a small article on them. I'll show you a live example of the same. Now what we'll do is we'll go to the browser right now, and here we are in wordpress.com. This is actually a WordPress page where you have the information on the home page of the WordPress, where you can create a blog on building a website on your domain name in WordPress, and also you can create a free blog using WordPress as a platform. Create a starter blog. I can click on this one. It goes to a page where it provides me some information. Let's do how actually I can create a blog in 5 simple steps. Here the steps are clearly laid down for you. The steps. Let's get started, and they provide a lot of options for you to start a blog and to create a blog. A list of my latest blogs, this is one option. The second option is a welcome page for my website, and you have 2 more options available for you here, and they are called as a grid of my blog posts as well as an online store. You can choose any option that you want from this one. Let's say I'll create a list of my blog posts. Now in the second option of this page in WordPress blog, it offers me the templates, the themes, what kind of design that you are looking for to create a blog. Now these are the designs that are available for you to choose from for free. It doesn't cost you anything. Here are the different templates that are available for you to choose which theme, which design gels with the kind of blog that you want to create. Whether it is a technology blog, it is an entertainment blog, it can be a cuisine blog, it can be a sports blog, whatever the blog that you are creating, use a relevant theme according to it. The most important thing is you need to remember is when you choose a theme, it doesn't mean that you have to stick to the theme, you have to stick to the template. You can always switch to a different theme later that blog WordPress clearly mentions to you. Now let us say, for example, I choose this particular theme. I go to this theme. Now we are in actually in the step 3. Here what it says is that enter a domain name or the keyword that you want to create a blog. Choosing a custom domain of free WordPress.com. What happens is when you choose a domain, it comes with an extension called as .wordpress as an address. It is not like if you have a website called starsconsulting.com, it will not come. Whatever the domain that you choose, it can be on your company name, it could be on your personal name, or it could be on a particular subject or a skill that you want to create a blog. For example, if I want to create a blog on SEO, it will not be kind of SEO.com. It is not possible. If since you are using WordPress as a free theme, a free platform, if I choose SEO as a keyword of my domain name, it comes as seo.wordpress.com provided that domain is available. Now what I do is here is I type my domain name that I want to create a blog, a free blog on WordPress. Let's say for example, I type SEO free techniques or technology. Now what WordPress says is that this is actually available, SEO free tech wordpress.com. This is actually the domain that I have chosen, SEO free technology. Now SEO free tech.wordpress.com, this is what I will be getting. It will not be like SEO free tech.com. It will be SEO free tech.wordpress.com. Now I choose this SEO free tech.com as I am selecting this one right now. Now I got this one. Now in these plans, what I have chosen for my domain, these are the plans that WordPress has provided you. One is free, get a free website and build your way to publish your valuable first post in less than 5 minutes. This is free. Now it provides a few more features which actually they charge certain amount, certain money. It's almost about $3 per month, billed yearly. The third option is premium. It provides a lot more features, but it costs this much for you. And the fourth option is business blog. You can create, it will cost you this much with some more features on this one. Now what we are doing right now is we are choosing a free option. Now I am going with a select free. Now it will ask me to log in right now into my account. What I will do is I will use my email ID to log in into the WordPress account, and I have to give my password to it. I have given my password to it. Right now I am logging in. I can select a theme. I can go back to it. Free SEO tech. I have chosen the domain. Since I am going through a login, it has given me, I am taking the process again. It is actually taking a few minutes for you to actually create a blog here. Now this is actually how the blog looks like for me, the one that I have created, freeseotechblog.com. This is the blog that I have created, and this is actually the home page looks like. I can change the banner according to my needs. I can put my own image in the banner, and this will be the blog post that will appear, the body part of your blog, and here you will have the footer, and you can change the footer according to the links that you provide. And here when you come down, you can write about yourself, and you can write about your contact address, and you can provide all the information. Now what we'll do right now is we'll post a small blog post. When you see here on the right, here you can click on the right. When I click on the right, it gives me the information here. What it says is the title of the blog that I want to create, the blog post, and I can type my blog here, and so that the blog can be posted. What I am typing right now is SEO technology, for example, and I come here, I type hello world, this is a sample blog. I have typed this information, I have given a heading, I have given this information. You can align the paragraph, the bold, italic. I can tag some lines here. So much of information and features are available for you, and this is what I have typed right now. Now what I do is I can click on this one to publish this one. What happens here when I click on publish? The blog post is right now published. My blog post is, when I update it, it is published. What I can do is, if I want to see how the blog looks like, I can create here, click here and go to that particular blog. What it says is free SEO tech blog.wordpress.com. This is my blog that I have created, and this is the first article that I posted just now. Similarly, you can create any number of articles, any number of blog posts on the blog by just logging into your account and posting the articles on it. And going back to the information here, it provides a lot of information for you. How actually you can create a blog, how you can share it, how you can format it. Lot of information is available for you, so that you can use this information in posting the blog. You can also integrate social media widgets like Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn. This is how actually a blog can be created in WordPress within a matter of few minutes, and start posting articles and reach out to your audience. Now that we have seen how a blog can be created using WordPress as a blog, a free WordPress as a blog platform, a free blog within a matter of minutes, without having a domain name, without having the hosting, created a blog, created the template, and we have posted a blog article also. Let's continue from here. What are the benefits of blogging that are available for you? Blog posts help you create valuable content for the users. You can use blog, and you can leverage blog as a tool, as a medium, so that you can reach your intended audience by providing them high value content in your niche. Blog will make you an authority in your subject. Whichever the subject you have, whatever the skills you have, whatever the experience you have, whatever the expertise you have, it can be technology, it can be food, it can be science, it can be entertainment, it can be music. Whatever your expertise, wherever your expertise lies, you can actually write high quality beneficial content for the users, and you can become an authority in your subject. It can create new opportunities for you. It helps you interacting and engaging with your users who regularly visit your blog. They may contact you, they may take your services. Builds loyal audience. When you have high quality, consistent content on your blog, that article, those blog posts will help you in gaining loyal audience, and they'll continue to come to your blog as long as you provide some value and benefit to the users. It helps convert traffic into leads. All the traffic that comes to your blog is a possibility that they will be turned into leads, and leads become customers, and that will actually create an opportunity for you to make business out of it. It helps convert traffic into leads, create your huge network and build relationship. The more the high value content on your website that is beneficial, inspirational or motivational content that you write, and the more the traffic, the more the traffic, the more the leads, the more the leads, the more the customers, the more the customers, the more the money, and you can build a lasting relationship with your clients and customers with blog articles posting. In conclusion, what we have seen is, we have seen what is a blog, how to create a blog, we have seen how we can create a blog live on WordPress, and what are the benefits of blogging. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.